paper crane can fly, then forever doesn't feel that far.